You're a child.
That looked a little better.
Oh. Before, chunky, before, compared to after. Look at that. I machined it on the lathe. Side by side.
That email chain, when are we going to get our engineering instant messenger going?
Boom. Boom. Custom adapter hubs. Complete for free. All right, so here it is after being sandblasted. Looks dirty where I touched it because I have dirty hands, but
So shiny.
We'll clean that off. But here's the before for this, and this one's cast iron. It's a bit darker, but that's gonna be great. Oh my god. That's probably good. Yeah, that's good. I should have sandblasted the other caliper. This is awesome. Came out so nice. And the caliper bracket is sweet. A little dirty from touching it, but that's gonna be awesome to powder coat, I think. This is actually sticking way more powder to it. This is cool. Oh yeah. Alright. Whoa, lightning. I might be out of powder. Alright, that's a good video. That's enough. Oh boy, I think it might be clear now. Yeah, you got a sandblast. Holy crap. It soaked up way more powder. And it's like a mirror. I gotta find this flashlight so you can see this. Where the heck's the flashlight? Where is the flashlight? This is crazy. Hold on.